Hey YouTube, it's Kharyzma. I know it's been such a long time. I have not uploaded, but by now, hopefully I would have uploaded some more videos. I'm in the process of designing an outfit and it came last minute. I have a showcase next week, but the choreographer, Q, as you know, he's my mentor, also my dance instructor. He decided to give me a role in the show. In addition to dancing in it, he wanted me to do a specific role to play Shirley Bassey. I don't know if you guys know her. I love her voice. She's so amazing. She's the one that does Diamonds Are Forever. I Who Have Nothing. I mean, her playlist is like, she's way back in the day, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, and her voice just gets better and better and better. But anyway, I love her because she's so dramatic and her voice is so big and it's just so powerful and it's so beautiful and she's just so talented. And he asked me to play her, to lip sync to her song, Get the Party Started. Pink also did the song, but she did this one as well. I don't know if too many people know, but I was just so happy. So I have to come up with an outfit. He said he wanted to do something like because mainly I'm dancing in the show and this is just the opening part of the show, so I can't have anything like too complicated because what I'll be doing is wearing my dance outfit underneath the outfit that would be, you know, a Shirley Bassey type outfit. So I really just want this to be really good. So I'm gonna show you what I got and share some of my ideas with you so you can get an idea of my process when I'm designing, especially something that's really quick like this where I really just don't have a lot of time and I'm trying to figure it out in my head and bring it to the third dimension. Let me show you now. Because it's my first time working with tulle. I don't think I've got enough. So, and it's kind of see-through, so that's why I got the black right here. Sorry about the camera, guys. I usually have a tripod. But yeah, being that this tulle is kind of see-through, I would have probably had to get much more yards. I got 6 yards of it, but it's still see-through. And being that the challenge is we have to have the outfit cover up my outfit that I'm going to be wearing dancing. And so this outfit has to be able to come off quickly. So either it can be open in the back with a tie or have Velcro, like whatever it is that I design needs to be able to come off and reveal my dance outfit so that for the remainder of the show I'm dancing. It's about a 4-minute piece and probably this opening number is probably, I would say, about a minute or so. So this outfit needs to come off. It also needs to be light and I need to be able to walk down the little runway and be able to twirl in it. So I was faced with this challenge at the last minute, a week before the show, but I'm just so happy because this is what I love to do. And Q comes up with these wonderful grand ideas. Like I said before, I don't know what goes on in his head, but whenever we go through with it and we believe and we trust, the outcome is more than fabulous. It's always unique, always original, always grand, and it's always wonderful. So I'm looking forward to it. So what I started to do, I'll describe my process. I've already gathered up the tulle. As you can see, there's like, I don't know if you can see it, there's like black thread there. See it a little bit. I did it by hand, like tried to gather it, and I did the same to the black. So I'm gonna actually take it to the sewing machine and I'm gonna sew it on the widest stitch so that I could be able to pull the stitch, which is called creating a gather, so the waist can come together. And I'm gonna do that now and show you how it comes out. Okay, so basically I gathered both the black piece, which is supposed to be the lining, and that's the top piece. So I'm gonna take the pink one I'm gonna take the black one and put it over the pink. See, like so. I put this one because this is the lining that's gonna go under, and I'm just going to pin it together at that top so that it could be one piece. Okay, so now as you can see, both of the pieces, the pink and the black, are pinned together. And then what you're gonna do now is, you see that top part, the excess, you can go on ahead and cut off the excess because we're gonna use ribbon. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use ribbon or if I'm gonna just decide to use fabric and make a belt and attach, but you can use ribbon if you have it and you need to. Cut that excess fabric that's at the top here so that it can fit the ribbon. Okay guys, this is what it's looking like. This is the next day actually, because I was so much in a hurry I didn't get to film everything, but I did indeed add, after you saw me gather and cut off the excess, I added a waistband to the top. You can use ribbon, but I didn't have time to get ribbon, so I took the black fabric that I had and made a waistband. So you could act like, you know, you could do that too and make your own waistband as if it were ribbon. If you could kind of see the seam here, how I did it, and then I just put it over the pink and the black. Remember, I had pinned it all the way around and made the pink and black one already by pinning it together to make it easy to take the black fabric to put over and sew. So you would take your ribbon and you would place it, let me leave it on the pink side so you see, you would fold it over both pieces, pin it all the way around, and then you would sew it on a zigzag stitch so that it could pick up everything. Because sometimes if you do it on a straight stitch, you're trying to get all the fabric, it might miss some. So the zigzag stitch will help you be able to pick up all the fabric. And then you see the tie comes out in the back because I needed mine to be open because this is for a showcase. So see, that came out pretty good. And that's what it's looking like. Okay, so this is the shawl part, and this was very easy. This is basically just a piece of shiny pink fabric. We wanted something really bright and grand, and you know, something that said, hello, I'm here, let's get this party started. And hot pink is my favorite color, so this to me says, let's get the party started. And basically I'm just gonna throw that over myself, and yeah, because we need to have this easily removed, so nothing too big. This is like 3 yards of fabric that I'm just gonna throw over, and I'll show you the skirt right now. Okay, so here's what the skirt's looking like right now, which I really love. I wasn't sure how it was going to come out with the black underneath, but I think it's pretty good because the black underneath kind of makes it more, I would say, diva for lack of a better word, because the material underneath is like a shiny, it's not even satin. I don't know what material this is. It looks like satin, maybe a type of satin with some type of sheen on the top. But I like the way it looks because I think with the shawl here and that too much pink, I didn't want it to look princessy. I wanted it to look like party, here I am, flashy. So I think the black kind of tones it down from having too much pink and making it look too princessy or too, you know, too much pink. Too much. But yeah, that's the skirt. So I'm really loving it. I just have to trim the bottom because it's a bit too long, but it's looking good. Okay, so this gives you an idea of how the top part is gonna look over the skirt. I'm sorry I don't have my mannequin. I'm not able to show it to you that way, but just to kind of show you my process and my, you know, my thought process and my ideas. This is the pink top that's going to go over. It's the shawl, and then that's the skirt you're seeing right there with the black under, but that's gonna be over. So see, I see how the black kind of tones down the pink some, so I think it'll work really well. The skirt needs to be long enough to cover up my sneakers that I'll be wearing under and my dance outfit that I'll be wearing under. So let's hope it all works out. I think it's gonna be awesome, awesome, awesome. I'm very positive about it, and yeah, so that's my process. I'll be happy to show some footage from the show. Hope I was able to help. If you have questions, just leave them in the comments. Okay, thank you for watching.